How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So is Surfshark easy to use and set up? Okay, so let's get straight into it. Now, Surfshark is one of the easiest VPNs to use. All you have to do is click the link in the description, get yourself that VPN subscription using the discount below, and then you'll receive an email and download it and install it from there and just follow the instructions. Or you can download it first before getting the subscription, and then you can return to the video for the discount. So what you can do is go to surfshark.com, hit download, select your device. Let's say you went for Windows. You will be able to download it. So if I click download the VPN application right here, Google Chrome will start downloading it, and then I can click, just hit agree and okay on everything. And once you have it, you will have this application. And yeah, as you can tell, the application and user interface itself is very straightforward. You have a, you can expand it and make it smaller or bigger or whatever it is that you want to do. And the user interface is very straightforward, as you can tell. Quick Connect will connect you to the nearest server, or you can go to VPN settings and set up the Quick Connect to whatever server you would like it to connect to. So maybe I wanted to connect to Berlin, and we'll just go back here. And when I hit Quick Connect, it will connect to Berlin automatically. Now I've got over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, so that's plenty. And you'll be able to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. As you can tell, now I'm connected to Berlin. I can either pause the connection, for 30 minutes or 2 hours, or I can just disconnect it. And you'll have your recently used here. You've got multi-hop, which is the same as double VPN, routing your connection to 2 servers instead of just 1. And recently they just added this feature, and you can create your own double VPN connection. So let's say you can set up with, this is your entry location, and maybe Croatia is your exit location, and then you can go ahead and just use that from now on. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature if you'd like to use that. But let's see here, was it saved? I think I'll have to connect to it for it to be saved. Oh, no, there it is. So Australia, Brisbane, Croatia, and I can either delete that or favorite it. Okay, so static IP will give you the same IP address, unlike the dynamic IP addresses of the regular servers. If we go to settings, you've got, again, Quick Connect, which you can set it up, auto connect, depending on which networks you trust and which networks you don't trust. You can have Surfshark automatically connect. Clean Web to block ads. The kill switch will disable your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, preventing any rare IP leaks. A handful of protocols. WireGuard will be the fastest. Split tunneling, which will allow you to choose which applications are routed to the VPN and which are not. It's a very useful feature. A speed tester to save you a little bit of time of having to manually speed test everything. Rotating IP will rotate your IP address every 5 to 10 minutes while your VPN location stays the same. And no borders mode will complement rotating IP to help you connect from a censorship heavy country. Overall, Surfshark is the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without compromising on feature, security, or speed for that matter. And as you can tell, the user interface is very straightforward. And if you want to get any of the extra features, you can pay, I think, $1.50 a month, and you'll be getting the antivirus, the search, and the alert features, which are just extra features that'll help you boost your security. And if you don't have an antivirus, yeah, this might be very well worth it. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in Surfshark, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, all of the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive Surfshark for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can simply get yourself the refund. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.